What if I told you the biggest threat to your thriving greenhouse isn't pests, fungus, or too much sun, but your electricity bill? Shocking, right? Those fans, vents, pumps, and heaters you rely on to keep your plants happy can silently drain your wallet month after month. Now, imagine slashing that cost to zero while still keeping your exotic blooms or high-yield veggies flourishing, even during a blackout. Sounds impossible? Not at all. Today, we're diving into the top 6 solar panel kits for greenhouses, comparing portability, price per watt, controller efficiency, and real-world reliability. By the end, you'll know which kit is ideal for a permanent rooftop setup, a quick emergency fix, or a fully mobile solution. So, what matters most to you? Efficiency, portability, or cost? Let me know in the comments as we break down each option. 6. NanWind Solar 200-Watt Portable Solar Panel Kit, the Durability King. Kicking off at number 6, the NanWind 200-Watt panel is all about
durability and portability combined, making it perfect for greenhouse owners who need to move their power source to follow the sun or shield it from harsh weather. Unlike flimsy foldables, this kit boasts ultra-thin 1.6 mm tempered glass over high-efficiency monocrystalline cells, reaching up to 23.5% conversion rate. Truly impressive for a portable panel. Rain, condensation, or greenhouse humidity? No problem. Its IP68 waterproof rating has you covered. Compared to other 200-watt panels like the ALLPOWERS SP033 or WERCHTAY, NanWind wins on toughness, though it's heavier and comes with a basic PWM controller, which is less efficient than MPPT in variable sunlight. The good news? Plug it directly into an advanced power station like Jackery or EcoFlow to bypass that limitation. For greenhouses needing a robust, temporary solution, this panel delivers unmatched resilience and long-term reliability. How often do you move your panels? Would durability or weight matter more to you? 5.
ALLPOWERS SP033 200 watts portable solar panel, the featherweight champion. Next up, the ALLPOWERS SP033 shines for sheer portability, weighing only about 13.9 pounds, less than half of rigid options like EcoWorthy or NanWind. For greenhouses where mobility is crucial, say a hoop house or a remote shed, this panel is incredibly easy to transport and deploy. Its durable IP66 splash-proof nylon backing protects the monocrystalline cells while integrated kickstands make setup effortless. Comparing output, it typically hits 140 to 170 watts under ideal conditions, a bit less than the high-end WERCHTAY panels, but still solid for light-duty greenhouse applications. Unlike other kits, this comes as just the panel, meaning you'll need a separate power station or charge controller, which may suit hobbyists with intermittent needs. On the budget side, it's unbeatable. Great for running a small fan, pump, or monitoring system without breaking the bank, if you value portability above peak.
Efficiency. This is a smart, practical choice. Do you prefer lightweight panels, or would you sacrifice mobility for more wattage? 4. EcoWorthy 200-watt fixed solar panel kit, the DIY foundation. Number 4. The EcoWorthy 200-watt kit is perfect for greenhouse enthusiasts planning a permanent setup. Unlike portable kits, it's designed for a fixed installation on a greenhouse roof or shed with 2 rigid 100-watt monocrystalline panels framed in corrosion-resistant aluminum and tempered glass. Durability is off the charts, backed by a 25-year warranty, making it ideal for continuous exposure and high wind conditions. It's beginner-friendly, with Z-mounting brackets and 12-volt/24-volt configuration options, perfect for larger systems like heat mats or cooling fans. The catch? It comes with a 30-ampere PWM controller, limiting power harvest compared to modern MPPT tech. Real-world output is around 800 watt-hours per day, enough for basic fans and lights, but not much more. Compared to WERCHTAY's advanced cells,
Eco-worthy is slightly cheaper, but still high quality. My advice, pair it with an MPPT controller to unlock its full potential. Are you planning a permanent setup or something more flexible? Comment below. 3. DOKIO 100 watts portable foldable solar panel kits, the minimalist's secret weapon. At number 3, the DOKIO 100 watts is a lightweight powerhouse for micro-power needs, ideal for running a single fan, temperature monitor, or keeping a small battery charged. Folding down to just 5.3 pounds, it's far lighter than ALLPOWERS 13.9 pounds or the rigid 200 watt panels, making it ultra portable. It includes a basic PWM controller with dual USB outputs, perfect for charging small devices directly. On the downside, its real-world output ranges between 45 to 70 watts, significantly lower than 200 watt options. Durability is less than NanWind or WERCHTAY, so long-term outdoor exposure may be risky. Still, for hobbyists who need occasional, low-cost, ultra-portable power, DOKIO delivers unmatched convenience.
Compared to ALLPOWERS or NanWind, this is the go-to for micro-power setups or emergency backup. Would you use a panel like this just for small gadgets, or do you need full greenhouse coverage? 2. Voltset 20 watt solar panel kit with MPPT controller, the battery lifeguard. The Voltset 20 watt kit isn't about raw power, it's about protecting your battery investment. This tiny panel keeps 12 volt deep cycle batteries healthy during downtime, making it invaluable for larger greenhouse systems with occasional inactivity. Its standout feature is the integrated MPPT controller, far more efficient than the PWM units included in most other kits, especially in low light or overcast conditions. The panel is rigid, waterproof, and built to last, outperforming the nylon-backed ALLPOWERS and DOKIO for battery maintenance. Sure, it won't power fans or lights, but its intelligent trickle charging ensures your batteries don't degrade over winter or inactivity periods. Compared to bigger panels,
Wattage is low, but the efficiency and durability make it a premium maintenance tool. If you already own an eco-worthy or WERCHTAY system, this is the perfect companion to protect your investment. Do you have idle batteries that could use this kind of smart maintenance? 1. WERCHTAY Solar Panel Kit 200 watts, the power per dollar king. Finally, taking the crown is the WERCHTAY 200 watt kit, the ultimate choice for serious greenhouse growers. It combines high-end monocrystalline half-cut or even bifacial cell technology with a rugged aluminum frame, delivering 24 to 25% efficiency, superior to eco-worthy and portable options like NanWind or ALLPOWERS. Shade tolerance is excellent, meaning partial shadows from greenhouse structures won't devastate output. Peak output exceeds 150 watts, though the included 30 ampere PWM controller limits potential. Upgrading to an MPPT controller, like Voltset's larger version, unlocks the kit's true power. Compared to NanWind's durability or ALLPOWERS
Portability, WERCHTAY strikes the best balance of efficiency, build quality, and value, making it ideal for permanent rooftop installations or large-scale setups. It's a solid investment if you want long-term reliability without constant upgrades. Which matters most to you? Panel quality, controller efficiency, or price? Drop your thoughts below. Conclusion: from ultralight DOKIO panels for small setups to high-efficiency permanent WERCHTAY systems, the best kit depends on your greenhouse priorities, mobility, power, or budget. Remember, upgrading PWM controllers to MPPT and eco-worthy or WERCHTAY kits can drastically increase your power harvest. Now it's your turn. Which of these kits will you add to your greenhouse setup and why? Let me know in the comments, hit that thumbs up if this helped you, and subscribe for more deep dives into off-grid gear. Links are in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.